Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two things: a Mac OS host or iCloud-capable Apple device and your Windows PC. Sign into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. This lets messages link securely. Once done, enable text message forwarding in Messages preferences on the Mac or sign into iCloud Messages. Then install a browser that supports remote access, Chrome or Edge, and set up a remote desktop extension or app, because you will use that to bridge Windows to the Mac. Now you make the connection. Install Chrome Remote Desktop or Microsoft Remote Desktop on Mac and Windows, then authorize remote access with the same account. This gives you full Messages UI on Windows. Once connected, open Messages on the Mac and confirm any forwarding or verification prompts that appear on your iPhone or Mac. Make sure network latency is low, otherwise typing and attachments lag. If you prefer, use a secure VNC client. Just ensure screen sharing and firewall rules allow the session. Finish by validating functionality. Send an iMessage and an SMS via the Mac host to confirm both work. Make sure clipboard sharing, file transfers, and notifications are enabled in your remote app so attachments and quick replies behave naturally. If something breaks, first check two-factor prompts and that both devices use the same Apple ID, then restart Messages and the remote service, and confirm no firewall is blocking ports. If lag persists, switch to a wired network or reduce display quality to improve responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.